Baby, I need to tell you something.
Are you pregnant?
No. Cherry stopped me on the way. She warned me to stay away from you. Tell me you're not doing anything with her.
Delia, why are you insensitive? Yes, Cherry is my friend. And I can't cut her off.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, no, you mean you cannot cut off from her?
Sure.
And yes, I saw her putting on my clothes. My new clothes that I've been looking for. So did you also give my clothes to your Cherry?
Are you calling me a thief?
Then who gave her my clothes?
Shut up and sit down! Sit down!
Something is wrong with my husband. I mean, he's gradually fading away. You know what I mean? Like, he's nervy, very nervy. And then he stopped eating. He doesn't talk too much anymore. And then he hisses too much. Like every second you get this different sounds, like different consonants coming out of that.
Me, I do not have anything to say. Before you start thinking rubbish, can we go for lunch?
Okay. How could you? What has? You want to understand?
This drink reminds me. It brings back the memory of the very day you devored me in your bedroom. Can you still remember that day? It was magical. I can't forget the memory. It was something else.
Just get out of my sight. I don't want your trouble.
Oh, sweetheart. You don't need to bother yourself, okay? We're safe. I locked the front door. I sent the gate man to the market. So we have this house all to ourselves to enjoy.
Stay away from me. What's wrong with you? What did you do? Did you just push me? Oh, I know your plans. You want to get rid of this unborn child. It will not work. You have failed. Rubbish.
What do you want from me?
I want an SUV. A brand new SUV. That's what I want. You can take a whole year to get it.
It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't worth it at all. It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head.
Cleo, I beg you in the name of God, please, don't ruin my marriage. I just want us to settle this here and now. Please.
In a simple sentence, I am priceless, and this deal is priceless.
I'll give you 5 million. 5 million naira. But I want you to die this matter. Just die it.
Do I look like I need money? I don't want your money. Don't.
I'm begging you. I'm already feeling guilty. I cannot even face my wife. Help me. Just name anything you want. I'll do it.
You see, that's your problem. You are selfish. It's always about how you feel. What about how I feel? What about your unborn child? You want him to be a bastard? Is that what you want?
I'm not saying that the child will be a bastard. Of course, you and I know that my child cannot be a bastard. I will take care of the child.
Arrant nonsense. Rubbish!
Cleo, I have begged you enough. I have spoken to you in the best way I know I can. Listen, I'll do something you don't like. I will kill you, Cleo. I will kill you and nobody will find out. I will kill you and bury you.
Frank.
Yes.
You will kill me?
I will kill you.
Try it.
I'll beg you.
Try it.
Listen,
Try it. Try it.
What's going on here? Who's killing who? And over what?
He wants to kill me because I refused to abort the baby.
What baby?
There's no baby.
Liar! Tell your wife the truth.
What is she saying?
I am pregnant for him. And he's begging me to abort the baby.
No.
What? What?
That's
what?
That's it.
What is she saying?
That I am pregnant.
Chloe, what is Cleo saying? No. Don't tell me you're sorry.
Sorry, please. Please,
No!
Please.
Wake me up.
No,
I'm dreaming.
May, I'll explain everything. Please. May, please, May.
Wake me up.
May, please.
Wake me up.
May! You see what you've caused? You see what? No!
Frank, why did you scream?
I had to tell you.
Get up. What? So, like someone hit you in the dream?
No. Something beat me.
No. You've been drinking. Frank, let's go inside. Give me that. I have it. You had something to eat.
She will forgive me. Just have to tell her. Please. Forgive me.
What is it?
I'm about to tell you something that will hurt you, but I want you to forgive me, please.
Frank, what is this about?
It's about our wedding. But I do not want this to tear us apart because I love you.
Hey, this is about the financial issues. Frank, you have to let it be and let God take control. Listen, it's fine if we can't have our wedding in Paris as planned. It's not an issue.
I have failed. I have failed woefully.
No, you haven't failed me. Listen, I don't mind having a small wedding here with friends and family. It's not a problem. We can go anywhere when things get better.
Babe, I am sorry. Listen, I'm sorry.
Get off. We don't want nothing. Don't worry. Funny.
So, she's gone for 3 days. You can have me for 3 days.
Please, I don't want to have
Are you sure?
you. Stop.
Come on.
You don't want to hear anything I have to say because you're so mad with me. It was in the heat of the moment, I just never planned it. How it all happened, I don't understand it. You must believe me when I say it was crazy temptation and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't what did it all. It was crazy temptation and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't what did it all.
Oh, Frank. Oh, Frank. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Frank. Oh. This was all a dream.
My head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go for this.
No.
You don't like it?
No nude. How? Why?
So,
Black.
we'll just do pure black.
Yes.
Well, I'm sure they will have black.
No nude, Lord.
I know, but they might
Good morning, sis.
Phil, you're looking at your door all day.
These days, I don't feel like taking out.
Well, I needed your help with breakfast in the kitchen and it's almost getting cold.
Okay, fine. Frank,
Yes.
I need a favor from you. I want some money to get a few clothes.
Phil, you went shopping last week. All through last week, in fact.
I know. I need more clothes.
What for?
Honey, it's fine. It's alright. I'll give her some money. I'll give you.
Good. Alright, sis. I'll be in the kitchen.
I'll join you. Hey. You went shopping all through last week. I need more. More?
Sorry. No, it's fine. Yeah, I'll say that.
No cream. I was saying black.
Yeah, black is fine.
Vincent, it's too early for this.
Okay, well, I brought these gifts for you. I know you will like them. I was wondering if I was wondering.
What kind of a man are you? You cannot say your mind. You palpitate when you stand before a woman. You hum and hum like a female bee.
Shola, what have I done wrong again? Okay, would you mind if we have lunch together at your break hour?
I usually do not have break hour.
Oh, really? I see. I see.
Anything else? Nothing, I guess. Do have a nice day.
Was she right? Was I really palpitating? I don't think so. I'm trying to express, but I'm a man. It's all right. I think I will do better next time. I will do better next time.
I do not like the way you spoke to my husband this morning. I think you're becoming disrespectful and over-demanding.
Well, I see Frank as my brother. He doesn't see it the way you say it.
Well, notwithstanding what you did is irresponsible. I don't want you giving him the thought that we are not from a responsible home or making him feel like you're his sole responsibility now.
Okay, fine. I've heard you. Meanwhile, I'll be going shopping by noon.
Do you listen to anything? No, he did not give me the money because he asked you to pick up the money in his office.
Fine. I'll stop by the office.
Cleo, why have you stopped talking about your master's program?
Maybe I have a bigger plan.
Maybe.
Okay, fine. I have a bigger plan. I'll tell you all about it when I'm back.
You should. What is wrong with you? Meg. Why are you rolling your eyes?
Hi, Cleo.
I know you, Bobby.
Beautiful memory. I'm glad you're here.
This is Frank's setup.
Setup? Is that the name? Well, let me go straight to the point. You don't want a house and you do not want to go to London. So what do you want?
I do not discuss family matters with strangers.
Excuse me.
You are quite excused. Mind your business.
Now listen. This city is mine. I find it difficult to mind my business and mind this city.
Let go of me.
Bye, ma. Hey, what up, Cleo?
Nothing is up.
Don't you ever scare me like this next time.
Cleo, why are you always avoiding me like a plague?
Because as you can see, we are no longer on the same class. Yes. Excuse me.
Hey! Cleo, I need your attention. Huh? Come on! You don't walk away from me. I'm talking to you. You don't walk out on me. Come on, stop! Stop, Cleo!
Can you just leave the way?
I can leave the way! Come on, Cleo! I can leave the way! Huh? Wow.
So how did it go?
Frank, can you remember the exact dates you had sex with her?
I don't know, I think sometime in May. I can't really remember, but why do you ask?
You see, I think she planned all these and it is working well for her.
So what's next?
You will not give her the money she asked for her shopping.
No, now, Bobby. She will tell my wife.
She will not tell until she gets enough money from you. You need to stop this blackmail.
Listen, bro, I just want this to just die down so that I can face my job and plan for my marriage.
Brother, it's already died down. Whenever she comes to ask any money from you, be mean. Tell her you don't have any money.
It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but
hey, listen, I will not have you talk to me in that manner. What is wrong with you?
You sent that your friend to insult me today. Do I have to crawl on my knees and beg for the money? Do I?
I've told you before and I'm saying it again. I do not have any money to give to you.
Very well then. You don't want me to tell my sister about this, do you?
Shut up. I will throw you out of this house.
Frank, you cannot throw me out.
Listen, you don't know me. I will just kill you. Go and ask about me. Listen, I'm very rugged to the core. This is the same thing you are doing. That's why I killed 14 girls way back. Yes, I will just send my boys to kill you. They will bury you and nothing will happen. And before they bury you, they will pieces your body and everything. They will even eat you. They are deadly. And when they finish everything, they will pack all your bones and they will even throw you into the river. Don't try and see the beast in me. If you try me, this is what I will do to you. All these your eyes, they will block it, they will suck everything. They will eat you up. You don't know me. I'm very rugged and dogged. Don't try me. This will happen. They'll finish you. Don't worry. 14 girls, I saw them down. Don't talk of you. Who are you?
Yes. Hello, Delia. Delia, I'm in trouble.
Babe, what is it? Did anyone touch you?
It's Frank. Frank threatened to send some boys to kill me this night and throw my body into the river.
What? He said that? It's okay. Calm down.
I can't calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. I don't want to die. Really, I don't want to die. I can't.
Don't worry, just calm down. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, fine. I'm calm. I'm calm.
Who's that? I said, who was that?
A friend. My former classmate.
But I heard you call him babe.
She's a lady. I said, babe. Babe.
You started cheating on me, right?
Don't say that rubbish to me. When you left me for my best friend, did I complain? Did I not forgive you at the end of the day and give you shelter over your head?
Shelter over my head. And that is...
Sis, please. I'm leaving this house.
Chloe, I'm trying to understand you, Chloe.
There's
Where are you going to with your bags all packed? What is going on?
nothing to understand. I don't want to be killed and my body thrown into the river. I am leaving.
Cleo, this is the same thing you've been saying. Who wants to kill you and throw your body into the river?
Cleo, why don't you just go to bed?
My love, she has to explain to me what is going on.
Sis, please, I don't want to get upset. Please.
Just leave it off.
Who is upsetting you? What is wrong? You can always trust us. I'm your blood. Frank is like a brother to you. So what is the problem that you can't explain to us, you can't let us know?
I'm leaving this house.
Why?
Simple.
Why? Cleo, talk to me.
Yeah. She just started behaving like a mad woman. I just hope she does not turn on my face. Sorry, please.
Do not write.
I'm sorry. I wanted to tell you. Please.
Don't touch me. Just don't.
How could you? How could you do this to me? I mean, how could you tell her after everything you've made me go through? Why?
Shola.
Me. What is it? You sounded so frantic on the phone.
Cleo is pregnant. She has ruined her life. Cleo is pregnant.
Pregnant? Who is responsible?
She didn't tell me.
When did she tell you this?
Last night. She said she's been scared of informing me about it. Cleo is pregnant.
The Cleo I know is too smart to be scared of you. Or is there something else she's not telling you?
Apparently, Frank, my husband, also knew and didn't mention it to me. Can you imagine?
Wait a minute. Your husband was aware before last night?
Yes. He threatened to kill her if she doesn't leave his house. But can you blame him? This was Cleo's opportunity to go to the UK and do her masters. She just ruined it and successfully tarnished the family's name. Just threw the family's name into the mud.
Me, are you a kid?
A kid. My people don't think like your people, though. My people do not reason like that. She has disgraced the family, that's it.
Me, I'm not talking about people here. I'm talking about giving your brain the tough ability to mirror things the way they are.
What are you talking about?
To not be heard that I ruined your day. The horse's mouth still utters words.
Can you speak in clear terms? She's pregnant here. No more masters in the UK. My parents are going to be very upset. I'm telling you.
Me.
What?
Me.
You know, when I'm upset, I don't stop people getting drunk. So would you drop the glass and talk?
I just wish that this earth can just open and swallow me.
She told you what about it?
And I have never seen my wife as heartbroken and miserable as she has been since last night. She's totally devastated.
Frank, all you have to do is to go and apologize to her before she does something stupid.
I have done that. I have begged her. At this point, she does not even want to hear my voice.
Frank, go home. Lock the door. Ask for her forgiveness, but with a broken heart. No, no. It's okay. It's okay.
I told my sister about it last night.
You did? So, what did she do to her husband?
I didn't tell her who was responsible.
Why? Why didn't you tell her?
She might commit suicide. She loves her husband so much.
She loves her husband so much. Babe, do you want to let this opportunity slip away? The earlier you tell her the truth, the better for you. I mean, you're almost on the last lap, so why the sudden repentance?
I'll tell her. In fact, I know what to tell her.
Good.
By the way, what happened to your face?
One stupid taxman did this to me just because I told him to shut up and drive. Can you imagine? But trust my boyfriend. He beats the living daylight out of him.
Good. Good for him. He got what he deserves. I hate men like that. That's why I left Sonny. Imagine what the stupid idiot did to your pretty face.
My love, I am sorry. It's my fault. Please forgive me. I should have said no to it, but she took advantage of me. Please forgive me. I am sorry. Please. It's better. I'm sorry. Please.
Get up. Get up. I'm the one who should apologize to you. I mean, I overreacted.
What?
I mean, if you had told me we'll have both ensured that she left the house, she would go and meet the person who got her pregnant. Perhaps live with the person. I mean, I don't know how my parents are going to feel about this.
Hold on. You mean she didn't tell you who got her pregnant?
No. She only said it's her crush. She doesn't want to marry the person. What is wrong with her?
Yeah, what's wrong with her? Are you...
Sis, we need to talk alone.
We'll do that later, Clem.
No, we must talk now.
Very well then. God. Come and tell me what it is. Yo? This is even worse than I thought. I thought not all men are the same.
Babe.
Vincent, be a man for once. Why are you scared? Okay, good morning, Shola. I hope you had a wonderful night. Yes, I think I'm really palpitating.
Frank, how could you do this to her, knowing how much she loves you and how faithful she has been to you?
Shola, please, help me talk to my wife.
I'm here. Talk to me yourself. So who is this woman you've been seeing or keeping?
Please.
What do you want? Is she better than me? Who is this woman you have been keeping or seeing? What more do you want? Shola, what more do these men want? Am I not good enough for you?
Me, please calm down.
I'm calm.
Please.
I'm seated and calm. Who is the woman? The one you've been seeing?
There's no woman. I'm serious. Please forgive me.
What more do you want?
I'm sorry.
May. You were about confessing to me.
Shola, I love my wife so much.
Do not dodge what I said. You were about confessing to me. Why must it be clear?
Shola, please. Do not say a word to my wife. I don't want to lose her.
The problem is that your wife trusts you so much. She doesn't want to think in that direction. Hence, she would have noticed this on time.
I know. But the deed has been done. Please.
Frank, she will eventually hear it from me if you don't go in there and confess everything to her. Go and fix it immediately.
I told you to tell your husband that I wanted to see him.
Doctor, tell me what the problem is. My husband is not in the country at the moment.
In that case, I would like to talk to him on phone. Can I have his number?
Doctor, like I said before, tell me whatever you want to tell my husband. I will chat him on WhatsApp and tell him about it. Simple.
It's unfortunate. It's not something I would want to talk with you. It's something critical.
In that case, I'll get going because I don't want you to make me nervous.
Can I have his number?
Excuse me, doctor.
Why would he want to see the man that is responsible for my pregnancy? Are there any impending complications?
My personal doctor would like to see you tomorrow morning concerning the baby. Did you hear what I just said? Anyway, when are you giving me the money you promised me?
Me that this will hurt you, but I have to tell you about it.
You have to be honest with me. This woman, is she more beautiful and caring than I am?
I do not have any woman outside. Listen, just hear me out. My mouth is full of guilt.
What is wrong with me? After all the love I have shown you, you go and you do this?
Will you just allow me confess this to you?
No! How could you do this? How could you do this?
Please, just
hear me out. Could you What is this?
It's a check for Cleo. She wants me to get her a dress she will wear on our wedding day.
You signed a check of 200,000 naira for Cleo to get herself a dress
for our wedding when you haven't even bought my wedding dress? And you signed a check of 200,000 naira for Cleo to get herself a dress.
No, I mean, listen.
How could you do this? How?
Good. This is for you, my love.
Thanks, baby.
This is
My love, I wish this celebration was fun every day. Yes.
How can we celebrate it?
Oh, sis. Don't tell me you've not heard.
No, I haven't heard.
Well, we are celebrating our seed.
How could you do this? Frank! Confirm my suspicion. What is going on?
Wait, you just stop crying and calm down.
What is going on here?
What is going on here? Do you have any shame? Do you have any conscience? How could you do this? Why would you even do it? How could you?
Because you're so mad with me. It was in the heat of the moment, I just never planned it. How it all happened, I don't understand it. You must believe me when I say it was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. Didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't what did it all. It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it.
I was blinded by the love I have for you. No, I disagree with you. The fact is that you lack the aptitude to protect your love and marriage.
What could I have done? How was I supposed to know what was going on?
What could you have done? Did you just say, what could you have done? Now I'm angry with you right now. I'm angry with you.
Shut up. I cannot turn back the hands of time.
You have to go back to your husband.
No. I do not want to see Frank.
And yes, you will see him over and over again. Please, man.
Please.
You have to go back to him.
No. I
You have to protect your marriage.
No.
Please. Please, me.
I can't. I can't.
Please.
No.
But I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't what did it all. It was crazy temptation, and I lost my head. The devil made me do it. I really didn't want to hurt you. I let you down, but I'm sorry now. I wish that I did not fall for crazy temptation. It really wasn't what did it all.
When are we going to see my doctor? Frank!
Hey, listen, if you shout at me again, I will kill you here.
Oh, do you think does he think I'm afraid of dying? Like I'm scared of dying? Frank, I'm talking to you. When are we going to see my doctor? Wait. You actually wanted to slap me? Frank, you wanted to hit me. Frank, you wanted to hit me, Frank.
Get out.
What are you doing? Frank! Frank! Frank!
Get out!
Frank!
What's this? What is it? What happened?
Chloe, Mama.
Chloe. What is wrong with her?
Chloe has taken my son, Mama. Chloe has taken gold from my palm.
Me. Tell me exactly what is going on. What is it?
I want to wake up, Mama. I want to wake up.
Wait. I hope it's not what I'm thinking. Yeah. I can still remember clearly the date. When did she come to your house?
I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. It's enough, my dear. It's enough. It's okay. Oh. Calm down. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, please. Do? Here. Emeka! Come and bring her back from the Dikeh. Oh?
Papa, you don't understand. Wait. You don't expect me to wake up and start driving to the village tomorrow? I have lots and lots of things to take care of here. And
Now shut up and let me talk. When did you start talking to me in that manner? Now listen. I want to see you in the village latest tomorrow morning. Is that clear? Good. I don't understand. You've not gone to look for her. Are you into something else I do not know?
Bobby, I am not up to anything. It's just that I do not have the courage to face her.
Oh.
I am ashamed of myself.
Well, ashamed. Frank, let me tell you what this reluctance will do to you. More damage. Yes. And where will this damage come from? Clear. She will begin to get into you until you will begin to feel pity. And this pity will turn into love that is not meant to be. So Frank, stand up like a man, go look for your wife and ask for forgiveness.
May is not here.
Shola, please, I beg you in the name of God. I know she's in there. Just let me see her, please.
Frank, she is not here. I'm off to work. Excuse me.
Shola,
Excuse me, please.
May, listen to me. I know you are in there. Just, please, just hear me out. Let me see you, please. May, please. I know you can hear me, please.
My wonderful in-law, let me pat your back for a job well done.
Don't sound like this. This is the biggest mistake of my life.
Yes, big mistake. By the way, have you told your people about what happened? I mean, have you told them that you are an expert in two-son, 2-in-1 from the same family? Huh? Huh? Have you? Leave him. Just leave him alone. Just leave him alone. My family. Let's go. Leave him. Just calm down. Leave him. Nonsense. Leave him. Rubbish.
I beg you in the name of God, come back to my home, please. I am sorry. Forgive me, please.
Frank, I don't hate you.
Thank you.
But I'm certain that I do not love you anymore. Come home.
No, please, my love.
For real? Yeah. Now you're talking. Just keep giving him more of you until he gets lost having you. I know you do. Bad girl. Baddest girl.
Trust me. Oh.